Hey guys, welcome back to GroovyPost. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert random text in Microsoft Word. This is just a very simple, easy tip to know. It's great if you need to insert dummy text, if you're experimenting on Word, or if you just need text as a filler in case you're learning how to use Word. So to start off, very simple. All you have to do is hit the equal sign, then type in rand, R-A-N-D, then do your first parenthesis, type in your first number, then comma, then your second number, then ending parenthesis. Now, you may be wondering what the numbers are for. The first number is how many paragraphs you want to generate of random text. The second number is how many sentences you want per paragraph. So, once you have what you want as your numbers, go ahead and hit the enter. And there you go. I'm going to zoom out a little just so you can see. We now have our random text. The text is also always the same, as of now at least. There may be future versions to come that may change the text as time goes on, but as of now, the text is basically always the same. So it's great if you just want to insert random text. So if you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, turn on the notification bell if you want any other videos or tips like this. And as always, stay groovy.